Hey, this is Nick with CM Contracting. We're out here doing a repairability test at 4825 Diamonds Palm Loop, Wesley Chapel, Florida 33543. Today is the 14th of April. And as you can see here, we already found this is a damaged shingle. It's been creased and lifted by wind, as you can see. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get this started. There's gonna be 6 nails in this second level and 6 nails in this third level, but in order to get to those, we're gonna have to loosen the shingles on the right side and the shingles on the left side. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it started. All right, so we've already removed the first layer of nail, as you can see here, and it is starting to cause some damage on the shingle itself. As you can see, it's just starting to rip out here. All right, and now we're gonna go to the second level and remove the rest of them. Alright, and there's one left. One. That actually is all of them. Alright. So now, actually we got one more up here. So that should be all of our nails removed. We go ahead and slide. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Now we've got all of our nails removed. We're gonna go ahead and slide the damaged shingle out. And as you can see here, these holes are already getting larger from us removing the previous nails. We do have a little bit of mat transfer from previous wind damage. And we're gonna go ahead and look right here. Just from trying to get these nails out, we're damaging the weatherproofing down here. All right, they're causing just a little bit from lifting 2 times. We're already causing a little bit of creases up here, but we're gonna go ahead and get this replaced. Slot shingle back in the correct position. All right, now we need to start on this first level and then go back up to the second level and replace the nails that we removed. So we're gonna start right here. There we go. There we go. We got all of our first layer back in, and now we're gonna go ahead with this second layer up top. We got our last 2 nails going right here. Go ahead and check, make sure we got every nail replaced. That looks like everything. All right. So now, as you can see, we do have creasing up here at the top going into these replacement layers of shingles. And again, right here, you can see that we do have quite a bit of mat transfer throughout this shingle. A few rips just from the hammer itself, trying to get those nails back in. And yeah, I would deem this unrepairable.